Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace alternator on 2013 Nissan Murano Easy Guide. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to eliminate any risk of sparks and electrical damage. Gather basic tools like a ratchet set, wrenches, and a serpentine belt tool. Work in a well-lit area and allow the engine to cool before touching components to prevent burns and ensure safer handling. Remove the serpentine belt by rotating the tensioner and slipping the belt off the alternator pulley carefully. Next, unplug the electrical connector and loosen the main charging cable nut so the alternator can be freed. Inspect surrounding brackets and remove any mounting bolts holding the alternator to the engine block, keeping track of bolt locations and hardware for reinstallation. Place the replacement alternator into position and start all mounting bolts by hand to ensure correct alignment before fully torquing. Reattach the main charging cable and plug in the electrical connector, confirming a snug fit and no exposed wiring. Fit the serpentine belt over the alternator pulley, release the tensioner slowly, and verify belt alignment and tension before reconnecting the battery and testing charging output.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.